Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you're having a great day. If it's the first time you've come across this channel, then a very warm welcome to you. So it's the 2nd of March, and for those of you that are following me will know that it's day 2 on my 31-day challenge, and that challenge is generating 3K in 31 days. So if you saw my last video, you would see that I started registering on freelance websites, so I've put that as one way of generating online income, and I've also started to buy and sell online. So what this video is going to be about is how am I doing that. So I already have experience of buying and selling, and I mainly use eBay. Now eBay is a great platform, everyone uses eBay, but what I found is that, you know, there are some hefty charges, and now in order for me to hit my target of generating 3K in 31 days, I want to try and keep the costs as low as possible. So I've started to use Facebook as well. Now Facebook has a marketplace which is excellent in terms of selling items, because the beauty of using Facebook is that there are no delivery fees. You can actually advertise your items and they can come and collect it, so obviously there's no charge there. So I found Facebook to be quite good. So what I've done is that all the items that I've listed on eBay, I've also listed on Facebook. So whichever sells first, I put on Facebook. One top tip though is that if you are selling on eBay, I would tend to sell it slightly cheaper on Facebook, because you know that there isn't any delivery cost there, and I would try to offset that. So I'll charge slightly more on eBay to try and cover the delivery and postage. So that's one top tip. So if you are going to use those two platforms, eBay and Facebook, make it slightly cheaper on Facebook, because the chances of that selling is quite high because everyone's on Facebook. And if you are going to put it on eBay, then make sure that you shoulder the postage and packaging as well and factor that into your costs. So again, that's another way of generating passive income. Now I haven't sold anything yet or made any money as yet, but I'm hoping that's going to happen pretty soon. I've already worked out that I need to be making at least £91 a day to hit my 3K target. It is now the 2nd of March and I've made 0. So I really need to get my ass moving. I'm going to continue thinking of other ways of making income online. So make sure you stick around and find out what that is and follow me. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. If you like this video, then make sure you smash that like button and also hit subscribe. And if you want to continue following me on my journey and get a notification of when I shoot a video, then make sure you hit that bell icon so that every time I do upload a video, you guys will be notified of that. Well guys, I'm sorry that it's kind of really cold here, so I'm just kind of shivering, but I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you for checking out this video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care guys, bless.